The technology at use at GMS not only makes life better for students, but it also improves life for us as teachers. It allows us to more effectively manage our classrooms and allows us to complete tasks more efficiently. One of the great tools we use is GradeCam. It is a website that allows us to create multiple choice tests that we can then grade using our document cameras that allow us to immediately scan student responses so that we get immediate feedback. Basically, what happens is a teacher goes into GradeCam and they fill in a score sheet with correct answers. This is my answer key that I have created. These are all the correct answers on the test. Then I simply print a form like this for each student. It comes with their name and a GradeCam ID number, and they simply bubble in their answer choices. After they've bubbled it in, teachers click here where it says scan. Now all I have to do is take these student answer sheets and simply slide them under the camera where it can see them. There we go. We have a score for a student, and it is an 80%, and it tells me the 2 questions that they got wrong. So I get the score here, and it's automatically, it can be transferred straight to our gradebook, and it allows us to give quick, simple assessments. Another great way that we have figured out to use technology to help us out as teachers here at GMS is by creating video tutorials of our lessons. Simply, we use iPads and cameras to film the teachers giving a explanation, the daily lesson. We just simply videotape the lesson as it's being given the first time and then just save it to YouTube. It can be done in less than 5 minutes. Here's a quick demonstration.
So it is so. A few of you that tried number 1 on the back side of the worksheet is the area equals 1/2 base times height. You're doing 1/2 base times height. So you need to know that these are not triangles. How many sides does a triangle have, everyone? 3. Does this have 3 sides? No. So just because you notice there's a triangle in it doesn't mean you only do the area of a triangle. Okay? So go.
Alright, so you get the basic idea. It goes through the entire lesson. As you see, it's about 6 minutes long, and it explains exactly how a student would find the area of a trapezoid. If they are doing that for their homework, if their homework that night is to find the area of several trapezoids, they can go back and watch this step-by-step video where their teacher demonstrates exactly how to find the area of a trapezoid. Okay, at GMS, we use a program called Reflector. Reflector is a way for us to integrate our iPads with our digital projectors. On the screen behind me, you can see that I have an iPad being displayed. That iPad on the screen is mirroring my actual iPad. So if I change screens on my iPad, I change screens on there. So whatever is on my iPad, the students are seeing. This allows me to use different tools within the classroom. Say a math teacher wants to do a math problem, they can simply mirror their iPad up onto the screen, write down a math problem, and then pass the iPad off to a student. It works wirelessly throughout the room, and say the student then takes the iPad and they can solve the problem. The entire class is watching, participating, and observing, and the teacher can move around the classroom hands-free and actually use their iPad to help facilitate instruction.